Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about ultrasonic welding. Okay. In that, I will draw first diagram of ultrasonic. This is the table. This is a anvil. Okay. This is a material. It is a mass downward direction. Then this is a horn. This is a transducer. This is a frequency. Converter. Okay. Or this all are workpiece. This is a figure of ultrasonic welding. Now see here, the two main components of ultrasonic welding is horn and transducer. Now the first component is the frequency, which convert low pressure or low power to the high power. Transducer, which creates vibration, and the horn, which produce a heat. Then there is workpiece. The material used in this ultrasonic machining is plastic. This is the anvil to support the workpiece that should be melted. Then this is the table on which the process will carry out. Now I will explain you about ultrasonic welding. The frequency of low power is converted to the high power electric power. Then this transducer is used. The high and electric power is produced and given to the horn. In this horn, the vibration is created. Okay, and the transducer, where by giving the electric power, the transducer creates a vibration also, which gives to the horn, and the vibration creates the friction and creates a heat that is produced. And due to the heat, this part or the workpiece of ultrasonic welding is mostly of plastic that should be get welded. Then there is a anvil which support the plastic material to get properly welding, and there is a table. Now I will discuss one by one component. First, there is a frequency converter. Low power or lower power to higher power, that is frequency. Okay, that is frequency. Now second, there is a transducer. High and electric power and also vibration or vibrating energy. Means what? Transducer creates, the converter gives the higher frequency and electric power, and transducer create a vibration. Third, there is a horn which used for concentrating on the mass, and this mass is used when the size of material or requirement of material is large, then this mass used for to force to create a welding properly. Then there is a mass is used for the material which has the larger size in the plastic material so as to weld that material, so mass is required. Workpiece means what? It is like plastic, etc. Okay, and mass depends upon size of material or workpiece. Okay, anvil is used to support the workpiece. Okay, now we'll take some advantages of this system. First advantage is no melting, that is no intermetallic component or compound are found. Okay, then second one, welding cycle is shorter, and third, welding thin to thick section. Now disadvantages. In that, first point for disadvantage is limited to the thin gauges because of the power limited. And last point for is limited to lap joints only. Understood this? Thank you for watching this video.